Today we are starting chapter 7, factorization. In previous classes we have learnt about factors and multiples of numbers. Let us consider a number 28. 28 can be written as the product of 4 into 7. Here 28 is multiple of 4 and 7 and 4 and 7 are factors of 28. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28 are factors of 28. 28 can also be represented as the product of prime factors, that is 2 into 2 into 7. Similarly, an algebraic expression also can be written as the product of its factors or in an irreducible form. For example, 3xy square can be written as 3 into x into y into y, and 8x cube y square can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into x into x into x into y into y. Now factorization of polynomials using HCF. To factorize polynomial using HCF, first we have to find the HCF of all the terms of the given expression. Then divide each term of the given expression by this HCF. Let's take an example to understand it. Factorize 18a cube minus 27a square b. Factors of 18a cube are 2 into 3 into 3 into a into a into a, and factors of 27a square b are 3 into 3 into 3 into a into a into b. Here 3 into 3 into a are common factors. So HCF of 18a cube and 27 square b is 9a square. This HCF 9a square we take outside of the bracket. Now we divide 18a cube by 9a square. The quotient is 2a, which we write inside the bracket, and 27a square b is divided by 9a square gives 3b. This 3b also we write in the bracket. So after factorization of 18a cube minus 27a square b, we get answer 9a square into 2a minus 3b. Next topic is factorization by regrouping. It is not always possible to find the HCF of all the terms of a polynomial except one. In such cases, we try to regroup the monomials to find something common and factorize the polynomial. Let us see how. Factorize ab plus 4a plus 3b plus 12. Here we see that in all the terms no common factor is there. So we make the groups of terms which have common factors. Here ab and 4a have common factor a, and 3b and 12 have common factor 3. So we make the group of ab plus 4a and 3b plus 12. If we take a as common, then in bracket b plus 4 is remaining, and 3 is common, then b plus 4 is remaining. So we get here a into b plus 4 plus 3 into b plus 4. Here we should remember that for all the groups, the remaining factors which we write in the bracket should be same. Here b plus 4 in the bracket is same. Now we write a plus 3 in one bracket and b plus 4 in other bracket. And a plus 3 into b plus 4 are the factors for the polynomial ab plus 4a plus 3b plus 12.